guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share 25 random facts about me. So let's start the videos. The first fact is going to be that I had a weird connection between me and electricity. Yes, even though I went near a socket just to make it on or put it off. So what happens is I get a small kind of current. Yes, it's also with the mobile screens, the tables, chairs, or computers, PC systems. So I get a small kind of current. Yes, that's true. If you are someone who has the same weird fact about you, then just comment it down. I just wanted to know that who all are facing such kind of issues since childhood. Let's move towards the next fact, and that is I have some allergies related to mushroom. Yes, I cannot have the things or the vegetables or some dish which is created by adding mushroom in it. Yes, I cannot have it because I don't know what happens, but I started choking. So I don't know what is the chemical or what is the ingredient that is not well for me, but I just don't go for it, and I never tried to find it out that what is the concern. So let's move towards the next fact, and that is that I can actually, it's not only me, there are many people in this world who can actually hear while sleeping. Yes, if they are sleeping, even though I'm sleeping, then I can hear what is my side beside person speaking, talking on phone or whatever it's going on. And actually when I wake up, I can tell cut to cut what happened, who said what, when. So that is an amazing thing. I like it. Okay, so let's move towards the next fact, and that is I am not at all afraid of ghoulish things. Like even though I see a cockroach or a lizard on the wall, I am just a normal person. I don't get panic like other girls do. I think so many of the girls do like that. I do not get panic. I'm like a normal person. Dude, that's a lizard. I'm 56 kgs. It's only that. I don't have any guns. Okay, so there is another weird fact about me. So I have a very bad habit of night walking. Yes, I do, roam in my whole house without opening my eyes, with my eyes closed, without hitting a single thing. And I have a weird story related to this. Yes, once what happened, so while I was in night walk, what I did was I just went in my kitchen, and I think I found my kitchen window was open, and I don't know how I found a mouse, but actually I found a mouse and I just picked him up, a small, I would say it was a small baby mice. So I just picked him up by his tail, and just by my eyes closed, I came near my mom, and I was just standing. And till the time that baby mice was like Stuart Little. That baby mice was like, he was scratching my fingers, and still I was like eyes closed and I'm standing. Nothing is happening. When my mom was like little, she turned and she just saw me that what's happening. Then she saw the mouse in my hands, and she was like shouted so loud, and I waked up. End up searching that mouse in the whole house at 3 a.m. I guess. Yes, so that was the weirdest story I must say. Let it be. Okay, so let's move to the next fact, and that is there are many people in this world who would be like me. They must be coming in my category. Yes, I do not like to read at all. I'm such a lazy person to read. I do not like to read books, never. I just like to watch movies, watch web series, but I do not like to read. Yes. Okay, so there is the next fact, and that is I do not like to watch horror movies, not at all. My imagination is so high. If I watch a little bit, a small scene on Instagram stories and events, or anything, a small clip also related to horror movies or a trailer, I'm literally imagining what comes in my mind, and I'm like imagining hell lot of things about that. So I do not watch horror movies. Yes. Okay, so let's move to the next fact, and that is I do not like the costume of Joker. You must be knowing that red color nose and that all costume, the cap and all. I just don't like. I feel it's horror. Seriously, it's terrible. I don't like it. That is in my mind since childhood, and still I don't like it. Even though whenever I visit any mall, or if I visit that McDonald's and the there's that guy, I never clicked a single pic beside sitting him. No, I don't, because I just don't like it. I just don't like jokers. I don't know why, but I don't. Okay, so let's move to the next fact, and that is since childhood I was a huge fan of Spider-Man, and I used to think that he should be my soulmate or my boyfriend. I was like crazy about him. Now I'm older and I feel that there is nothing like Spider-Man, so let it go. I get irritated with the sound of that, take tack, that pain sound, or something like any sound that is getting, it may be a little one, but still I get irritated. If there is a whole room filled with peoples and there is pin drop silence, but there is someone who will do a sound of chair, or the sound of a table hitting the table, or the sound of pens opening it, closing it, opening, I just get irritated by that sound. I just don't like it. Yes, let's move towards the next fact, and that is I do not like to stay in the rooms where lights are off. Yes, even though if the lights are off and I wanted to enter that room, first I will just on them, and then only I will enter that room. I will not go anywhere or any room where the lights are not working. So I don't know, I get suffocated, so I just don't like. The next fact is related to the first previous fact. I don't like to use the lifts alone. Yes, lift. So the thing is that I get suffocated, or I just don't like. If I'm alone in the lift, then I will not go either. Otherwise, I will just wait for someone to come. Or many of the times it happens that no one is there, you have to go. Then what I do is I just enter the lift very quickly. I just hit the button and I just wait, saying something like saying chanting or saying a song or something I will do just to divert my mind, because I don't like that feel that I'm alone in the lift. No, I don't like it. I just get uncomfortable. So here we are with the last fact, and that is I like to listen each and every language song. Yes, I do listen songs which are in Marathi, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, I guess Tollywood kind of songs, then Punjabi. Then I like to listen songs Korean, which are from Korea, BTS obviously, EXO, Blackpink very much. Then I like to listen songs from Chinese, then from Japan languages. So the thing is that I enjoy each and every song with feel without understanding the language, or I don't need to just look after the language. What is this song about? But I have been observing this that whenever it comes to song, I can understand what they wanted to say, what they wanted to pass out the message. I can understand. I don't know how, but yes, I can listen each and every kind of song with a good feel, taking feel of it. Okay, so that's it for the video. I hope you like this 25 random facts about me. If you wish to ask some questions related to this facts or related to anything, then you can just Instagram me. That's it. Let's meet you in the next video. Till the time, take care. Bye.